In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a JPEG from Affinity Photo. If you've finished editing and want a shareable image rather than an Affinity project file, you'll use Export, Saving or Save. As keeps the .af photo document for future editing, but exporting creates a standard JPEG that you can post online, email, or view on any device. First, open your finished image in Affinity Photo. It can be a flattened picture or a layered project. Either way is fine, because the export process takes whatever you see and turns it into a single JPEG. Head to the top menu and choose File, then Export. This brings up the Export dialog, which is where you tell Affinity exactly how to create the final file. Along the top of that dialog, click the JPEG tab so the app knows you want the JPEG format. JPEG is a widely supported compressed format that balances quality and file size, perfect for sharing and web use. Next, look for the quality slider. Moving the slider to the right keeps more detail but creates a larger file. Moving it left reduces file size at the cost of some clarity. If you're preparing something for social media or email, a medium to high quality usually works well, while prints or high-detail images benefit from higher quality. You can also adjust dimensions and resampling here if you want to change the image size before exporting. Reducing dimensions can dramatically cut the file size and speed up uploads. Keep the aspect ratio locked so the image doesn't stretch, and avoid extreme upscaling, which can introduce softness. If resampling options are available, choose one suited to downscaling for crisp results. Once those settings look good, click Export. A standard save window appears. Choose where you want the JPEG to go, like your Pictures folder or a project-specific folder you'll remember later. Give the file a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find, and make sure the file extension shows as .jpg or .jpeg. When you're ready, click Save. Consider versioning your file name, like adding web or large, so you can keep multiple sizes without confusion. Avoid overwriting your original source image. Keep exports separate from your raw or working files. That's it. Your image is now saved as a JPEG you can open in any viewer, upload to websites, or share. Keep your AF photo project if you plan to make changes later, and export a fresh JPEG whenever you need an updated shareable version.